Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni. You are watching CRD News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. HR Ministry takes many steps for peaceful coexistence in 2020. The Ministry of Human Rights has taken several initiatives to ensure the environment of peaceful coexistence among all the communities, especially minorities, during 2020. Lokvirsa to hold Mother Language Literature Festival on 21st February. The National Institute of Folk and Traditional Heritage has planned to celebrate the 6th Pakistan Mother Languages Literature Festival on 21st February to highlight the value of languages in Pakistan. Thousands of vehicles registered through bogus auction in Punjab. Punjab's anti-corruption establishment said it has made progress in a fake vehicles registration scam. 1,450 liters adulterated milk dumped in Muzaffargarh. Hundreds of liters adulterated milk was seized and dumped by Public Food Authority in Muzaffargarh. Railways set to outsource 8 more trains. Pakistan Railways is all set to outsource the commercial management of its 8 passenger trains to transform the department into a profitable entity. Kohat police recover huge cache of arms, arrested 2. Kohat police recovered a huge cache of arms and arrested 2 accused during operation in Lal Mala area. Motorcyclist killed. A youth was killed while another suffered from minor injuries in the limit of Kushab police station. This is the end of today's news. Take care and stay tuned with CRD News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.